We're gonna go feed the animals.
You know?
Oh yeah, it's a party over there right now.
Oh,
Wait, really? That's so
That's
funny.
good.
Oh yeah, everybody woke up, wanted to go feed the animals.
Over there. So I made sure to tell it that I'll be back.
I can't. I can't.
And he gave me a good little nod, and you know, we kept moving.
Oh my gosh.
I think that's like the 8th time I probably said it this week.
Oh my
I'll
gosh.
probably say it twice more. Just wait till I get over there. They have no idea.
Oh,
That's so funny.
No, that's good. No, that's good. See, you're gonna be a good dad, man. You're gonna be a great dad.
Thank you. I appreciate that.
Of course, of course. I can already tell. I already tell, like, from yesterday, I could already tell.
Yeah.
But no, you got it. You got it like that.
These are doubles?
Some of them are doubles, like this one's a double.
How many bedrooms are in those? Or
it's still like, there's 2. They're just kind of like, it's kind of one cabin in each.
Got it.
It's weird.
Oh.
It's a little weird.
Okay.
But it's pretty nice.
Okay.
It's pretty nice on the inside. So it's like all spread out. It's like every other one kind of. And then these ones are just all rich. They're nice. But it's honestly nothing like too crazy.
People are definitely out today, huh?
Oh, everyone's out. I think it's because yesterday was so snowy.
Yeah.
That's true.
We wouldn't really want to, just kind of wanted to chill inside. So now everybody's out.
Oh,
Look
yeah.
at, like, see, there's a little party over there.
Yep. Oh, I thought that was a cow. It's a lady's jacket.
Oh. Wait, that's funny.
Oh, my friends are out. That's so fun.
Your animal friends.
Yeah, animal friends. They don't know.
Oh my god,
they
you
don't
can
know that
see
they're
the.
my friends.
Oh my god, it's on its
Look at
back
that
legs.
thing. Oh, that's-
Hi.
you guys
Good
sleep well?
morning.
They looked a little ravenous.
They say-
Oh my
Did
god.
you say pet them?
Yeah. Oh my
Can I
god.
touch your
They
head?
look really like.
Thank you for letting me touch your
I
head.
know.
Are you hungry?
Now
Yeah,
that
lady, it's
we
breakfast
had
time.
Our first course. It's like a second course now.
Oh. Oh my god, their teeth. Hi.
Okay, let's go for the donkey.
Hi.
See ya.
Look.
Go ahead. You guys.
Oh my god. No, they're not cold at all. Oh my god. Oh yeah, I guess you're right.
Look at your little teeth. Here, let me get a good one.
Yeah. Giving them scraps. Hi. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness.
Hello, sir.
That-
Look at your little teeth.
Oh my god.
Wow.
But now if that one started eating from there while that one eats from there, they just look like 3 big bushels. Here, babies. Oh, my hand. Here. Oh my goodness. Oh, you guys are so hungry. Oh goodness. Ah.
You got it all in your hair.
Give it to me.
Oh, they're coming closer. Oh.
Almost one. Here, you got it.
Now that's concierge service. You're literally hand feeding them.
They just like sleep outside.
Just fed the animals. It's in the flare. No, right? Dustin's hanging out with the chickies. I think that keeps their water warm. This thing.
Huh?
This keeps their water from freezing.
Yeah.
Yeah. Hi, Chickie. Yeah. It's so pretty. What? Go check. Oh, great. They might be.
Oh, not pushing back.
Oh, they're out.
G-Wagon, 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 G-Wagon. Berries of steel.
Oh, is that what you're doing? Bing!
Telling me your boy ain't got an arm on him.
Bing! There's a car.